Okay, there's the unit right there, and there is how it's plumbing out right there. Now, my thought was to move it against this wall over to here, move this cabinet, and then technically we could punch it out that wall. The problem is, if you go into the house, this is that glue lamb. This is the joint where that glue lamb comes. It would literally punch out right here over the door. So we'd have to carry it farther down, which impedes all of my cabinets. So then the thought was, say hi, Rascal. Say hi, Rascal. Say hi, Holly. Say hi, Holly. Oh, Holly. Oh, Psycho Dog. The thought was, the unit, move it to right here, and then you see how much of a shorter run it is to go straight up. So that's what I thought we could do. The other thought was move it on that wall over there. This is the man door going into the garage, but as you can see, there isn't much additional wall space. I really put that in a bad spot. I should have put it farther down. So that would be punching out right over a man door. So, as you can see, corrosion building up on the outside of the joints of this all the way up. Now, some of that, well, check that. I was going to say some of that is, I used silicone to seal it off, but I don't think that's silicone. Anyway, I think our viable is we've got to plumb the gas. There's the gas line. And as I was saying, it reduces down to 1/2 inch. But it's a 3/4 inch. We would have to take that gas line, and the T would have to be coming straight off of there. And then we'd have to carry it around. That wouldn't be so bad. Carry it around and anchor to the wall and then come up. So, you know, that's not a bad run if you think about it. We just 90 it off of that. Come off, come across the front, and then we're only going 5 feet. So those are my choices there. It's up to you, Pops.